Hello guys, happy 4th of July. Well, it's 4th of July today for me, but for you guys, it was probably yesterday. You know what I mean. Anyways, happy 4th of July today. We have things planned. Diego invited me to go see The Purge at the theaters today, so we're gonna go do that. Me and Diego and Anais are gonna go see The Purge. And then Diego has been wanting to eat some black bean noodles, just like I have for the longest time, and I told him about yesterday. I was like, guess what? I ate some black bean noodles, and I already get them. He was like, you know what? We're gonna go get some black bean noodles. So that's the plan. We're gonna get black bean noodles. We're gonna go to theaters and then get black bean noodles. And then after that, later on in the day, my family and I might go to a park, and watch fireworks. So yeah, and I'll record anything that I can. It's hard for me to record things because I just forget a lot, or I'm too lazy. But yeah. Say hi guys. Hi. So we already got our tickets. Yeah, that's we went to Walmart so we could get drinks and snacks and sneak them in because we're cool like that. Okay. So we're at my house and we're making the noodles already. Cut. No, leave that in. It's funny. But I got some boba and they got Starbucks. That's not
and I got in debt because I just got an album from 5 stars.
Yeah. Anyways, I got a new flavor. I tried lemon. I don't like it. I like my pomegranate one better.
You spelled your name wrong. That's why it's not showing up.
Wow.
We'll cover that.
Wow. Who?
We'll cover the fridge. You can't let people know what's in your house.
It's a house. What could there be in here?
Valuable.
Oh
Shit, wrong one.
Anyways,
Wrong one.
so yeah. Oh my god!
You wanna know something?
I'm actually really excited.
What?
Card.
Oh. Alright, Anais, go.
Okay, it's not hot.
Oh my god.
Oh shit, that's long.
Oh.
Do you like it?
Oh.
Wait. Oh.
I like that. Are you okay?
It's alright.
What? So the next clip is going to be just watching fireworks, and yeah. That's it for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment down below anything you guys want. Thank you for watching. Today was a really good day. The fireworks show was awesome. It was really good. It was really relaxing. Like, I don't know, it was relaxing. So thank you for watching. Say hi, Cookie. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.